Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most emotional and shocking upcoming twists from the popular serial Rim Jim. The latest promo has created a huge buzz among fans because it shows a painful turning point in the story where Samir and Rim Jim are forced to separate, despite their deep love for each other. This is not just a small misunderstanding or a temporary fight. This is a major life changing moment that will completely reshape the future of both characters and the entire kingdom of Veergad. The story begins inside the royal palace where tension is already in the air. The atmosphere feels heavy, and every member of the royal family is gathered for an important announcement. Something big is about to happen, and no one knows what the outcome will be. Prithvi Chacha finally takes a stand and speaks in front of everyone. He directly addresses Samir and tells him that now is the time to correct all the wrongs and restore justice. According to him, Rimjim is the true heir and she deserves everything that belongs to her by right. He clearly demands that Samir return the throne, the power, and all royal authority back to Rimjim without any delay. These words create a powerful silence in the entire court. Everyone is shocked because no one expected such a direct and bold demand. All eyes turn toward Samir, waiting for his reaction. Some believe he will refuse, others think he will argue, and a few even expect a big confrontation. But what happens next surprises everyone. Samir does not fight. He does not create any drama. He does not even try to defend his position. Instead, he takes a calm and emotional decision that changes everything. He slowly steps away from the royal throne and accepts that Rimjim is the rightful queen. In a deeply emotional moment, Samir himself invites Rimjim to sit on the throne of Veergad. This moment is extremely powerful because it shows that Samir is ready to give up everything just for her happiness. But his sacrifice does not end there. Samir also transfers all royal responsibilities, authority, and possessions into Rimjim's name. He completely surrenders his position and proves that his love for Rimjim is far greater than any desire for power or wealth. Rimjim becomes emotional watching this. She never expected Samir to go this far for her. Her heart is filled with gratitude, pain, and helplessness all at once. She gains the throne, but she is losing something even more valuable in return. However, the biggest shock is still waiting. Just after Rimjim is officially declared the Queen of Veergad, Prithvi Shah delivers another devastating decision. He announces that Samir, along with Mohini, Chanchal, and the entire family, must leave the royal palace immediately. This decision falls like a thunderbolt on everyone present there. Samir has already lost the throne, but now he is also losing his home, his identity, and his place in the kingdom. The palace that once belonged to him is no longer his. And the most painful truth is that he must leave Rimjim behind. This is the moment that breaks the heart of every viewer. Because Rimjim cannot go with him. Many fans will ask why Rimjim does not leave with Samir. But the answer is deeply emotional and logical. Rimjim is no longer just a lover or a simple character. She is now the queen of Veergad. Her first responsibility is her kingdom, her people, and the future of the entire state. She cannot abandon her duties for personal love, no matter how strong her feelings are. This creates a heartbreaking situation where love and responsibility stand against each other like enemies. Samir stands near the exit of the palace, his eyes filled with pain. He looks back at Rimjim one last time, hoping she might stop him, but deep down he already knows she cannot leave her responsibilities. Rimjim stands frozen, unable to move, unable to speak, and unable to stop him. Her heart wants to run toward him, but her duty keeps her rooted in place. And then comes the most emotional moment. Samir slowly walks away from the palace. Every step he takes feels like he is leaving behind a part of his soul. He is not just leaving a building or a throne. He is leaving the love of his life. Rimjim watches silently as Samir disappears from her life. At that moment, she is a queen in title but completely broken inside. This separation marks a major turning point in the story. The makers are clearly building a powerful emotional track that will test both characters in different ways. But the biggest question still remains, is this truly the end of Samir and Rimjim's love story? Many fans believe that this separation is temporary and destiny will eventually bring them back together. Others feel that the story might take a major leap, showing both characters in completely different worlds before they meet again. If a leap happens, Samir's life may change completely as he struggles without royal power, while Rimjim may grow into a strong queen facing political enemies, conspiracies, and betrayal from within the palace. Both characters will grow stronger, but emotionally distant from each other. And when fate finally brings them together again, it could become one of the most powerful reunion tracks ever shown in the series. Until then, many questions remain unanswered. Will Samir return to Veergad someday? Will Rimjim be able to rule the kingdom alone? Is Prithvi Shah planning something bigger behind the scenes? And most importantly, can true love survive such a painful separation? Only upcoming episodes will reveal the truth. For now, one thing is certain. The story of Rimjim has entered a new emotional phase filled with heartbreak, sacrifice, and powerful drama that will keep fans deeply connected. Now tell us in the comments, do you think Samir and Rimjim will reunite? Or is this the beginning of a permanent separation? If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.